Best Pop Sound Creation. Move, Allison. Void, live from the Royal Albert Hall, P.O. Nash. Joyride, The Monsters, Outdathy's World.